Now, applied color theory is just like applied typography and the elements and principles of design applied. You're going to use the core college credit quests in order to demonstrate your proficiency, your understanding. And in your documentation, you're going to talk about the color harmonies you're using and the psychology behind the colors you picked. Now, how do you know how to do that? Well, first of all, last semester I showed you this video, and it's as if you never watched it for a great many of students. It's here again just so you can have a refresher. You didn't see this, and this is a good look at the psychology and the impact of color on our lives, which is undeniable. And also undeniable is the value of Adobe Color. color.adobe.com. I took you here last semester. I showed you a little bit about it. It's supposed to work seamlessly with our library, and of course tech happens. Well, part of that technical proficiency is learning how to work around issues, and I'm going to show you workarounds and how you can save out your color harmonies. I want you to build custom color harmonies and understand the difference between all of these. I don't want you to memorize this and be able to pass a test, which is the usual standard, because you can study for that. I want you to learn it, apply it, and demonstrate your proficiency again and again in your compositions that you are going to submit through the core college credit quests in the nest below this one. So in those nests, you will use the elements and principles of design. You will use typography. You will use color and composition, which we'll get to in the next quest because it's kind of tied into everything, and I wanted to separate that out. In the next nest is where you'll find that. But you're going to build this body of work demonstrating your proficiency slowly but surely. You'll get more and more comfortable with juggling these different concepts in order to feel more profoundly adept at creating design with intent. You know what you're doing. You're shooting for a specific size, aspect ratio. You want to look, you want to feel, you want to use typography and color and the elements and principles in order to convey this message. When you put it all together, that's when college credit happens, when you can repeat it again and again because you've made it your own. As I've said, this is a semester-long journey. I will add more videos here. We will have more discussions about this. Just know, yes, there's places you can go online and just pick pre-made color harmonies. Hey, Adobe Color has them too. Those are great. And yeah, once in a while, sure, use them. But in order to earn the college credit, you have to create your own.